the Digital India concept developed by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has galvanized the whole nation. Now, judiciary is not confined to court hearing. I have been saying from the day one that justice is vast. Justice cannot be confined to courtroom, or in another sense, the justice cannot be only delivered from the courtrooms. Justice can be delivered at the doorstep of the people. We need to go out of the courtroom. We need to go out of the universities and colleges. We need to go close to the people. The legal awareness campaign on the occasion of the Atmanirbhar Bharat launch during this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, it has really taken to me also by surprise. I never thought the courts will play such a proactive role. The Chief Justice of Kerala High Court is with us. I must commend him also that I've seen the report from Kerala. The activities conducted by the Kerala State Legal Service Authority, in which the Chief Justice is the patron-in-chief, has done a commendable job in Kerala. And it has, benefited so many people, all those people who are craving for justice, the common people. We must understand that justice must be made easy for everyone. Nobody should be made to struggle to get justice. The gap between the justice and the common man must be reduced. And for that, we have to come together. I know there are challenges of infrastructure in the lower judiciary. In the last cabinet, we had approved 9,000 crore for creation of better infrastructure for the district courts and subordinate judiciary. And out of that, 40% of the funds will come from the state government. 60% will be provided by central government. My old colleague, the Law Minister of Kerala is here. The Honorable Chief Justice is here. I would like to urge both of them and the people of Kerala that let us utilize all the money which we have allocated for creating better modern court facilities in Kerala. I want even the taluka level courts, the lowest level courts, must be provided with all the modern facilities. We want to build courtrooms, digital rooms, the toilets for the female lawyers. Everything must be made available. Now, when we talk about India as a successful democracy, we must have a robust, successful judiciary. This is so important. That is why I am personally meeting all the stakeholders also. We are also aware that the pendency of the cases are huge. Even in Kerala also. And if you see the total now, it's close to 4.5 crore total pendency, the total numbers of cases in our country. We need to reduce this huge burden of pendency. And I know there are challenges of numbers of judges. I have ensured that the appointment of the judges in the high courts are given full support. The Collegium and the Law Ministry, we are working in tandem. I'm working very closely with the Honorable Chief Justice of India and his Collegium members so that we can handle many things. Everything need not be confined to files and formalities. We can get things done outside the formality also if we have a beautiful working relationship. People may say that, yes, judiciary is independent. Yes, the legislature and the executive are also independent in their own way. But that doesn't stop us from working together. Working together is not encroaching upon each other's territory. We respect the judiciary and its independence, but at the same time, we also desire for a close coordination. And I want to ensure that from the Ministry of Law and Justice, nothing will be found wanting. I'll be very proactive. I'll be forever open to all kinds of suggestions and the demands also. As I said, I don't want to take much time. I want to give more space for you to celebrate this occasion. You must celebrate. This day will not come again. In this beautiful city of Kochi, I'm also going to have some good time. I'm going to meet the law officers this afternoon. I'm going to address the law officers of the southern states of India. And I hope I can get out some time to drive around. I made a mistake. I should have come here with my wife. But as my colleagues were saying that during this pandemic time, it is not a wise step. So then I have just reconciled to the fact that I have to enjoy alone today. But I will come back again. Such a beautiful state. You have sea, you have hills, you have plains. Everything is here in Kerala. Such a blessed state. So once again, hearty congratulations to all the medal winners and all those who are part of this celebration and all the graduates. I have no doubt in my mind that after passing out from these prestigious institutions, you are going to excel in whatever route you take, whatever objective you set for yourself, you are going to be successful in your life.